Man, have we had some well-maintained, clean trucks in here lately at Unique, especially in classics. This one is no exception. It's a 1994 Ford F-150 Supercab XLT 4x4. And listen to this. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. The original owner had this for the first 28 years of its life. It was titled in Oregon, and it shows 67,349 original miles on this truck is all. 5.8 liter big dog V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Take a look at the chrome, the grille, the headlights in the front of this, all in great condition. Bug shield already installed. Paint has a beautiful shine to it. And speaking of paint, great color combination. It's actually medium Palomino metallic and light Santa Fe metallic. Absolutely stunning in this truck. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Look at the condition of that original polished wheel. They're that way all around this truck. Tires are date coded 2019. There's plenty of tread left on those. This is one of those trucks. Get in, turn the key, drive it. Checked out great in service. Brakes are 75% in the front, 65% in the rear. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it is really free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. I haven't really found much of an imperfection on this truck. I'm sure you can find one if you look hard enough. I mean, what? It's over 30 years old now. Absolutely beautiful. And then XLT, so it's nicely equipped with power windows, power mirrors, power locks. The dash mat on top of that, it's not covering up anything. It is absolutely like new underneath that mat. Check out the still pictures. I have it pictured both ways. The running boards and the fiberglass topper were installed when it was new. Sorry about the noise in the background. We have some detailing going on. Hopefully I'm talking up so you can hear me on this truck. It speaks for itself. It is absolutely stunning. Chrome on the rear bumper. Check that out. You'll be able to see in the box in the still pictures, it's never been used. There's a rubber mat in there. There's no dings, dents in the box. The fiberglass topper is in great shape. Let's take a look down this driver's side. As you can see, dual tanks. And again, nice straight body panels. It's not full of rust, corrosion around the wheel wells, the lower rockers. Again, no major chips, dings, scratches. I can't imagine finding a cleaner truck from this era, a little over 60,000 miles on it. It's almost unbelievable. All right, here we go. I mentioned power windows, power locks, mirrors right there. Look at the door panels. There's no wear. Lots of times you get some skin from the oils or some grime or grease from hands, gloves. It's like new in here. Seating, no rips, tears, or holes. Of course, you'd have the bench seat in the back. Sliding rear window on the topper and the pickup. Headliner's good. Let's fire this up. I was in here earlier taking pictures. AC was on in it. It practically froze me out of here. So the AC blows good and cold. AM FM cassette player works. There's your exact miles, 67,349. No service engine soon, no check engine lights. That was a cold start, as you can see. Gauge is all working. And again, there's nothing hiding underneath that dash mat. Take a look at the still pictures. If you're looking for a nice older pickup that's not going to break the bank like the ones these days. Holy smokes, you look at the prices on some of those. Here you go. I don't expect this one to last long. Let's take a listen. Sounds as it should. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to get this hood open, check out this engine bay. We'll wrap up this walk around video. Jason will take this truck for a drive, show you how it goes down the road at the very end of the video. Stick around. Underside of the hood, as clean as the rest of the truck, imagine that. And engine bay, there it is, 5.8 liter. Power steering, power brake, AC. Nice and clean and tidy. Again, just what you'd expect. Clean Carfax. Original owner had it for the first 28 years of its life. Titled in Oregon. 1994 F150 XLT. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Here we have a 1994 Ford F-150. This is a Supercab, and we do have a topper. Looking amazing inside the bed, the paint, the interior. This truck is very nice and quite low mileage. The feel of it is also very new. If you missed your chance to buy a new 1994 F-150, this is pretty close, and as close as you might find. The battery gauge is showing we are charging above half on the gauge. The oil pressure is right in the middle of the gauge. The temperature is coming up to a quarter. And the fuel tank is also a quarter of a tank. This is an automatic on the column, so it's easy to drive. Our horn's working. Cruise control is also working. The factory stereo in the dash as well. I wanna have control. Another perfectly timed song. The cassette player I did not test, but FM's working well. AC's blowing cold. Brakes feel very good as well. It's a 1994 time capsule in my opinion. Maybe your dad owned one. Maybe you used to own one. Maybe your grandfather owned one. Relive those memories in a functional, very nice condition, 1994 F-150. Take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.